Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Campaigning for assembly elections in Karnataka comes to an end, voting to take place on May 10. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurates Indian Air Force Heritage Centre in Chandigarh, says it is a testament to the courage and dedication of all those who served in the force. Governor Phagu Chauhan inducted as the President of the Indian Red Cross Society, Meghalaya branch, seeking eradication of tuberculosis. Chauhan adopts 15 TB patients. And MBOs to declare HSSLC results for science, commerce and vocational tomorrow. The news in detail. In Karnataka, all political parties have reached out to voters in their last attempt to bring them in their favour as campaigning ended today at 6 p.m. Voting is to take place on May 10th. Most of the leaders were camping in their constituencies on the final day of the campaigning. Chief Minister Basavaraj Bombay held a roadshow in Shigao. Bombay has been elected for 3 times from this seat and is contesting for the 4th time in a row. BJP's Central Parliamentary Board member and Karnataka's ex-Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, along with Union Ministers Shobha Karandlaje and Rajiv Chandrasekhar, addressed a press conference in Bengaluru. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi travelled in a Bengaluru Metropolitan Transport Corporation BMTC bus today and spoke to college-going girls and working women. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the first of its kind Indian Air Force Heritage Centre here on Monday and said it is a testament to the courage and dedication of all those who served in the force and a reminder of their invaluable contributions in protecting the nation. He further said this initiative will help in preserving the rich heritage of the Indian Air Force and also inspire the youth to join the armed forces. The centre has been set up under a memorandum of understanding between the Union Territory of Chandigarh and the Indian Air Force, which was signed last year.
साथियों, हमारा राष्ट्र दुनिया के जिस प्राचीनतम शासन व्यवस्था का उत्तराधिकारी है, उसमें न्याय और सुशासन का केवल अपने राज्य की सीमाओं तक ही सीमित न रखकर संपूर्ण लोक के लिए उनके प्रयास की बात हमारे यहाँ की गई है। हमारे यहाँ माना गया है कि लोक में बलवानों से निर्बलों की सुरक्षा और अराजकता व कुशासन से मुक्ति ही किसी भी राज्य व्यवस्था का यह प्रमुख उद्देश्य होना चाहिए।
Life was crawling back to somewhat normal in violence hit Manipur on Monday as people came out of their homes to buy essential items, with the curfew being relaxed for a few hours on Monday morning. Drones and helicopters continued a close watch over the state and its border with Myanmar, while personnel of the Army and Assam Rifles held flag marches in different areas that have been rocked by ethnic violence over the last few days. Governor of Meghalaya Phagu Chauhan was inducted as the President of the Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya branch on Monday. The governor attended the World Red Cross Day program celebrated across the world annually on May 8th. The theme for this year's program is Everything We Do Comes From the Heart. Appreciating the service of the Indian Red Cross Society, the governor said that he will extend support to the office of the Meghalaya branch as it is not in good condition. Making an appeal for the eradication of tuberculosis and leprosy, the governor also adopted 15 TB patients and gave Rs 90,000 to the TB Society.
आज रेड क्रॉस की शाखाएं लगभग सभी देशों के राज्यों में कार्यरत हैं। इंडियन रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी देश में 1100 से अधिक जिला उप जिला शाखाओं के साथ बड़े पैमाने पर समाज के सेवाएं प्रदान कर रही हैं।
In Rajasthan, 3 women were killed and 3 others were injured after an Air Force MiG-21 fighter aircraft crashed into their home in a village of Hanumangarh district. The aircraft had taken off from the Suratgarh Air Base for a routine exercise before it crashed due to some technical snag in Balor Nagar village near Pilibanga area. The pilot ejected safely from the aircraft and he is safe. The Meghalaya Board of School Education will announce the result of the HSSLC examinations 2023 for science, commerce and vocational streams tomorrow. As the result booklet of the examinations has been discontinued with effect from 2014, the State Education Board informed that the whole result booklet can be downloaded from the MBO's official website www.mbos.in. Results can also be accessed at www.megresults.nic.in, www.meghalaya.shiksha, www.result.shiksha and www.jagranjosh.com. Lombok Starwell Marngar and Donald V. Thaba were on Saturday re-elected to the Central Executive Committee CEC of the KSU unopposed as President and General Secretary respectively. Biangbor L. Palyar was also re-elected as the Vice President to KSU CEC. A total number of 5,177 KSU members from 551 units had cast their votes on the same day, out of which 373 votes were declared invalid. While declaring the results, KSU Election Committee Chairman Danny Kiriam informed that there were 33 candidates who had contested in the 15th election to the KSU CEC.
Ang mengibonkan hakikam tiba minha ledo bagi non salah ilabonkan macam senam ban persiapan yang dibuat berdiri pada kaji syakoi jong di polisi di bawah sekiparawi ban penbet harapon suap election hau pernah haga seni kabang rakhi dan lepas senyap jong pergi wikir ilala ban persiapan yang kami ban pensau yang diparawi bagi dalam ban clear sasisian pat yang history jauh penting.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 27.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 11.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 59% while in the evening was 42%. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Campaigning for assembly elections in Karnataka comes to an end, voting to take place on May 10th. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurates Indian Air Force Heritage Centre in Chandigarh, says it is a testament to the courage and dedication of all those who served in the force. Governor Phagu Chauhan inducted as the President of the Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya branch. Seeking eradication of tuberculosis, Chauhan adopts 15 TB patients. And MBOs to declare HSSLC results for science, commerce and vocational tomorrow. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Have a good night.